studies to finish my CPA. As you can see here, I've started CPA section 3. So I shared that I was going to
Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is IreneZab. If you like the channel, please consider subscribing. To my channel subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support me. So guys, today we're coming live from Nairobi in the way street. So on Sunday morning, just want to take you around the streets so that you can see how the city looks like on the Sunday morning. So comment and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. You can see around the area like some shops are closed because it's on a weekend. Up there, guys, we have amazing buildings. That one there. The streets are clean in the morning. Right here, this is Kenya Avenue. And this is Kimathi Lane.
Yes.
Sasa? Yeah, I saw you did a video with someone else, right? Bado hukusaidika?
No,
Washiti nani? Naitwaje? Kevin Watuko TV. Sasa haukusaidika sababu nilifuatilia hiyo story sana. Nilikuwa na watch. Yeah, so guys, I'm in the city, like in the streets of Nairobi, and here I've met one of. Tell us your name. Tell us your name. Huh?
Well, my story was covered by a media sometime last year.
Yes, I saw your story.
Because a media was called to home. And I really appreciate it because for me, they really made a very positive impact in my life because at least at that time my leg was rotting, so they really assisted me to to treat the leg by doing the surgery, and got me some residence in a place called Gari.
Yes, I was watching your story. I watched the whole of your story.
or your sister. So I really appreciated that. At that time, I really thank God because of my past, because from the fact that I don't have parents, and like I really saw hope in that, because I thought like it was my chance of getting out of the streets forever. I never really thought like I'll never be back to the streets again. I really thank God for that at that time. So I wasn't even preparing, because I got a scholarship from that situation to go back to school. The school offered me a scholarship to like go and finish the studies, to finish my CPA. As you can see here, I've started CPA to section 3. So I shared that I wish to go to section 6. So the school heard about that and called me when I was being treated, and they offered me a scholarship. So literally, like I shared that again with the second story of Tuko, and I really wish like someone, like a well-wisher there who could help me like get back to school. But then like too bad, the condition I was given for me to get back to school was to book the CASNET exams. Well, I was not able to get any well-wisher who could book for me the exams. And I'm still reaching out to anyone out there who has the means. Kindly help me out to get back to school, because the school gave me that one condition, to go back to school. So I never really thought like I'll be back to the streets again, but you never really know the plan of God. So I'm really so positive. Kindly, someone out there who is able to help me to get back to school and be stable in life, by even maybe offering me a job. Kindly help me.
Now, so which university was that? Strathmore University, right?
Yes, I was at
Strathmore University.
University.
Show us your certificates. Maybe you guys, like people are learned here. People are learned, but like again, poverty is a very bad thing. And
well, these are the CASNET certificates, section 1 and 2, as you can see. I passed all of them. I also started from section 3, so it's that to become the 6. I started from section 3 and I passed all of them again. So I was only supposed to enter now section 4. As you can see, it's not a year that section 4 is not yet passed. So I really wish to like go and continue section 4. As you can see, this is the school.
Strathmore University.
Yes. The school says, as you can see here, that is 20728 when I was in school. And they're saying that I studied classes for the course up to section 3. You know? So I'm supposed to now go to section 4. You know? So like I really wish, like I'm really reaching out there, like anyone out there kindly help me to go back to school and be section.
So your main issue is to go back to school.
I really wish to go back to school, but then.
How old are you?
I'm 32 now.
It is not too late. They say age is just a number. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to link. He's going to give me his number. Like I've seen him in the streets, and I was like, oh, this person I watched his story somewhere else. Yeah. So if you wish like to support him. Yeah, I'm going to link the number down in my description so that we see what next. Yeah. Sasa twende pale tutafute kitu ya kukula. Ni sawa. Yeah, so that you said you scored which grade in Form 4? P-minor. Yeah, the university material bwana. Yeah. Sasa twende tu. Sasa mguu iko aje? The leg is better.
On Monday,
sawa. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah?
It's healing.
It's healing?
Yes.
Okay. You utapona kabisa. Yeah, so guys, these are the situation in the streets of Nairobi. But we thank God for everything. So guys, I bought this for this person. Itakusaidia kwa leo. Sasa nataka kuchukua namba yako. Ndio mtu akitaka kukusaidia. So guys, that is how the streets are. Yeah, I've met that person and managed to buy for him like a bread and something small. Yeah, so let us continue with our channel. Right here, guys. This is I think Kimati Street. Yeah, like people are really suffering. Yeah, you see, like someone very learned. Happy miners was in the streets, like. But we thank God for everything. Tall buildings, Nairobi. Nairobi, ever developing city. No, I saw that person and I was like, oh, I know this person because I watched some of the interviews with Super TV. Yeah, so I saw him and I was like, no, this person is not new to me. Yeah. So people are really suffering. Like if you are blessed to have like somewhere to put your head, like that's a house. Your food, you have everything. Like just be thankful. Don't complain. Be thankful.